Birds and Other Dreamers. Poetry written by K.B. Murray. Narrated by the author. Preface. A Comet Dreaming. This is the dream. I am a comet, stardust breath and spectral tail ablaze. In the blackest corner of a starless sky, I pace alone, through a forgotten orbit out of desperation for the familiar and loyalty to a rhythm I cannot comprehend, a millennium at a time. Infinity. You are born, and in that instant my comet heart hears the first notes of our song and sets course for Earth. By the power of dream logic, somehow ice is exchanged for bone. Stardust settles into green eyes. Still, it takes me 27 years to move this body into your orbit. But this homecoming feels familiar, expected, as if I've only just left and come back having forgotten something important, until I wake, crying, begging. I don't want to return to the cold dark of space alone, explaining, I can't bear to spend another millennium out there, knowing you may or may not be born, knowing orbits can change and I will have to lose you again, search for you again. In our bed you smile, you kiss each wet cheek, and tell me it was only a dream. But it isn't, I say. This life is the dream. Section 1. Two kinds of dream. A bug flies into a clear pane of glass. He bounces back, stunned. Loving you was like that. You were simply there, and before, well, I don't remember before, except as a dream troublesome, from which I woke feeling sick with fear and longing, those twin fists clenching deep inside me. For now it's all incandescent sunlight and the sounds of birds building nests in the gutters. Robins sing in the misty morning, and a frog leaps into the high grass as you kiss me before my eyes even open. If this is a dream, let me never wake. If this is a dream, I must dream deeper. Preparations. I begin with the bird feeder. I try to shake all the dropped seeds from its crevices and refill it. I wash out the bird bath, use my hand to wipe the glass clean before adding crystal and water.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?